Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson again, and I'm taking you along on another model build journey. This one is of the iconic Aurora kit, the 1958 North American F-107A Ultra Sabre. And it's not quite 1/72nd scale, it's more of a box scale, which those of us in the modeling business understand. And it's original cost, if you look at the side here, and you probably can't see it, was 29 cents. I found it for $10 at a like a little antique shop or something. And some young man probably started to build it back in the day, and there had some glue marks on it and kind of gave up on it. It's not like one of the most fantastic kits in the world, but it's iconic to have. Today, one in really good, excellent condition can go for up to $90. So it's something I always wanted to add to my collection. It's lacking a little bit in detail, but I decided I was going to do it for Max's Models POS build, which was due the end of March. And I will take you on my little steps on assembling it. It actually took me 1 day to do. Not even 1 day, because it's such a simple kit. And then to paint it, I had to remove the old glue that was on it. I had to clean up some parts that that had glue spread on it, sand it down. I had to trim some areas of it because it wouldn't fit quite well together. And after I did all that, I reassembled it, I primered it and painted it. The decals that came with it were no good. They fell apart, literally fell apart on me. So I talked to my buddy Eric from Celebrating Vintage Model Kits, and who's also taking part in the challenge and did a video similar to this. And I decided that I was going to print my own decals. So I had decal paper, and one thing I started doing is scanning all these old decals, just in case they don't work, and that way I've got a template to go to recreate them. So I recreated the decals for it. I put it on there. I mounted it on a old Revell stand that was made by Atlantis. They're repops because it doesn't have landing gear. It's meant to be on a stand, and it didn't come with a stand. And finished it off, and it's perfect for Max's Models POS group build. So follow me along in this. You'll see what it looks like when I started, and you'll see what it looks like at the end. There's not too much assembly along the way because honestly, I don't even think it had 10 parts. But it was a fun thing to do. It's something I wanted when I was a kid, and enjoy. And we will talk to you later.